My name is Lorie Mcdonald and I am a certified front desk trainer with Summit Salon Business Center, the world's largest salon consulting company in the world. And we are the Happiness Project. We bring happiness into salon companies and maximize it. And I'm super excited to come on today to talk to you guys a little bit about your phone script. What we say on the phone is so important. It is the first part of the guest experience. And statistics say that 85% of guest retention is due to the guest's total experience, and it actually starts on the phone. So I'm just gonna do a quick video on some hot tips for your phone script. It's all about you at Salon XYZ. This is Lorie. How may I assist you? Okay, perfect, Kim. I'm happy to get you set up with that. A color and cut. What days and times work best for you? Awesome. Courtney has available this Saturday at noon for a color and cut. Would that day and time work for you? Perfect. So I'll go ahead and put you in for this Saturday, August the 4th at noon. I wanted to let you know that she also has an opportunity for a deep conditioning treatment, which is a customizable professional in-house treatment that we actually do. It only takes 15 minutes and it's only an additional $22. It's going to last you up to 30 shampoos and helps preserve your color and add shine. Would you be interested in upgrading your color and cut service with a deep conditioning service? Awesome. I'll go ahead and reserve you for that as well. So I'll have you down Saturday, August the 4th at noon with Courtney for your color, cut, and conditioning treatment. What else can I do for you today? Okay, perfect. We'll see you then. And just so you know, when you come in on Saturday, be sure to check out our front table. All of our shampoo conditioner leaders are 20% off. You really save big this month. Thank you so much and have a great day. So as you can see, there are a few touch points with making the phone script top-notch customer care. Step 1 is have a unique phone greeting. Step 2 is assist them with whatever action they're calling in on. And step 3 is offer an additional service. And finally, step 4 is plant the seed for your retail promotions that month. This 4-step phone script offers the ultimate 5-star guest experience. And it is the beginning of your guest experience. So we want to make it count. For more information on front desk systems, please email me at lmcdonald@summitsalon.com, and I'm happy to offer you a 60-minute complimentary coaching call. Thanks so much. Have a great day, everyone.